Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By AI of Isesaki FM. The number of patients with whooping cough, an infectious disease that causes prolonged, severe coughing, is rapidly increasing. The prefecture announced on the 8th that the number of whooping cough patients reported in the week ending on the 6th of this month was 176, a new record for the highest number of cases in a single week. The number of patients has exceeded 100 for 4 consecutive weeks, and the cumulative total since January of this year has reached 987. Whooping cough is particularly likely to become severe in infants and young children, so it is important to be careful of the spread of infection within families.